Welcome to 2023, and we're back with another Tech Connect video. I'm Corey, and today we are reaching out to you, the audience, to help us with the future of our Tech Connect channel. Now, don't worry, we're not going anywhere, but we do want to make this channel even better, and we need your help to do it. So we've put together a little bit of a giveaway to help you help us. Please subscribe to the channel and use the comment section below and put any kind of suggestions or advice you might have for us. That could include your favorite assistive technology you'd like us to review. Are our videos too long? Are they too short? Are we too funny or maybe not funny enough? Anything that you think could help our channel grow, put down in that comment section. For anyone who subscribes to the channel and puts a comment, we will put you in a random drawing for what I think could be the greatest giveaway known to man, Vision Forward branded merch. I'm not even going to tell you what it is because it's so important and one of a kind. Well, maybe not one of a kind, but I do think you're going to enjoy the Vision Forward branded merch. So you've got through the month of January 2023 to subscribe to the channel, use that comment section, and on February 1st, we'll go ahead and draw a random winner, and we'll make sure that you get your one of a kind, or maybe 10 of a kind, Vision Forward branded merch. Thanks so much for being on this journey with us. We appreciate it, and we can't wait to see what the future will hold for Tech Connect. Luke, anything?
That's right, Corey.